1. Given yung U1 6mm, U2 10mm, U3 7mm, and U8 3.6mm. Positive, kaya yung U1 to the right, up, to the right, up. Compute the local displacements delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, delta 4. So, actually, okay, we're looking for what? Kung ito yung force, okay, ito yung element, ito yung U1 natin is what? 6. U2 natin, this is U1. Ang U2 natin is what? U2 natin is 10. And then U3 natin is what? U3 is 7. At saka U8, rather U4 is 3.6. This is U4. Sorry, U4 is 3.6 mm. Ang hinahanap, ano yung delta 1, ano yung delta 2, ano yung delta 3, ano yung delta 4. So given yung given yung mga global displacements, ang hinahanap yung local displacements, yung along 1 at saka along delta 2, given yung U1 at saka U2. Now, so ibig sabihin dito sa formula natin, our C is, yung theta is 30 degrees. So kung napapansin mo, ito saka ito pareho. And then ang papalitan lang natin, ang U1 natin is what? Ang U1 natin is what? 6. U2 natin is 10. Okay, U3 natin is 7. And then U4 natin is 3.6. Okay. So ang gawin mo, kasi multiply natin ito, multiply natin yung lahat doon. Ang gawin mo, mode 6 ka. Okay, matrix A, 2 by 2 ka. 5. I-input natin tong matrix na ito. That's what? Cosine of cosine 30. And then what? Sine 30. And then negative negative sine 30. Negative sine 30. And cosine 30. So, napansin mo pareho lang siya dito. So, common na lang yung matrix na yan. And then, input natin to. Shift for dimension natin yung matrix B as 2 by 1. I-input ko yung U1 saka U2. That is 6 at saka 10. Then, itong U3 saka U4, okay, shift 4, i-dimension mo yung matrix C as also what? 2 by 1. So, that will be 7 at saka 7 saka 3.6. Yan. So, ngayon, pwede nating multiply. Multiply ko, ito saka ito, multiply ko yan, no? So, shift for matrix A times matrix what? Matrix B. So, you see, we will have a answer here as what? As 10.196 millimeter and then what? 5.6602 millimeter. Ano yung nakuha natin? Ang nakuha natin yung delta 1 saka yung delta 2. Ngayon, para makuha natin yung nandito sa side, dalawang side na to, yung matrix A natin, for matrix A, multiply mo naman ng matrix C. That's 5. So you have what? 7.862 and negative 0.382. That is negative 0.382. millimeter. So, yan yung ngayon yung mga, ang tawag dyan are local displacements. I'll show you a technique para mas mabilis to Okay. Ang gawin mo dito, di ba yung 6 at saka 10, kunin mo lang yung polar. Shift plus polar 6, 10, comma, shift close, shift plus 6 and then comma 10. Okay, 6. Then we have, okay. Now, what you do is get the rec. Shift rec. Now, X. And then, shift close Y. Tatransform natin yung coordinate. Ibawasan naman ng angle na 30 degrees. Okay, you see that I get these two values. Yan o. Ito saka ito. I get these two values. Pareho din yan ng yung nanditong value na to. Shift plus 7, comma, alright, that's comma, shift, comma, 7, shift, comma, that is 3.6, and then enter, and then I want the components now. So, shift rec or no. Okay, shift rec of X. Okay, subtract 30 degrees. Okay, this is there should be a comma, and then Y minus 30. My mistake there. There is sobrang parenthesis there. You will get this value 7.862 and negative 0.382. So, ito yung pag ibinigay yung global displacements, ang hinahanap yung local displacements. Okay? So, ito na yung value 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan yung mga value 10.196, 5.6602, 7.862, and negative 0.382 mm.